Some days the road feels far away, like stars I cannot touch today. But every step I leave behind becomes a reason not to hide.
The sky is wide, the night is long, but dreams grow stronger holding on. I hear a voice inside my heart saying this is where you start.
There's still a light ahead of me, still a door with my destiny. I won't stop, I won't let go, even when the cold winds blow.
One more day, one more try, I'll keep reaching for the sky. If they could rise and make it through, maybe my dreams can come true too. I carry hope in tired hands, building futures from small plans. Every failure, every scar reminds me how strong we are.
The world may tell me not today, but I won't throw my dreams away. The fire inside still burns so bright, guiding me through every night. There's still a light ahead of me, still a door with my destiny. I won't stop, I won't let go, even when the cold winds blow. One more day, one more try, I'll keep reaching for the sky. If they could rise and make it through, maybe my dreams can come true too. And if the distance feels too far, I'll remember who we are. Dreamers never truly fall, they rise again and stand up tall. There's still a light ahead of me, a future waiting patiently. I'll keep running toward my dream, no matter how impossible it seems. One day I'll smile and proudly say I never gave my hope away. The stars I chased so long ago will shine beside me as I grow. Not today, not today, not today. My dream and I will finally meet.